aware about it, that the last 50 years of automobile history, the major area of research was to drop down the weight of the vehicle. If you look at any car, any vehicle which is say 10 years old, Maruti Suzuki Swift 10 years old, and Maruti Suzuki Swift what we have today, the weight is it's very light. 50 years of research to reduce the weight. Now what we are trying to do is come to electric vehicles, which are going to increase the weight again. Yes. So that means back to flat square one. Another big problem. Is our country having sufficient electricity with us? Third point. 38% of electricity in our country is produced by combusting coal, and combustion of coal is going to give a lot more harmful emissions than what the IC engine is going to do. So as a research, as a professor, my view is yes, electric vehicles can give us a temporary solution for the time being, but what I see the sustainable future of the fuel is going to be hydrogen. Even our Honorable Prime Minister has said that India is going to become the hub for hydrogen. Yes. So this is what I see in the coming years. Hydrogen is going to be the future.
So since you are a HOD, so let's talk about students. What is in the mind of students when he comes to Chandigarh University and he wants to pursue automobile engineering? What is in his mind?
Sure. So as I said, the very basic first step is the students who are passionate about automobiles. They obviously join automobile, and there are not many universities in India which are offering automobile engineering, and I am very proud to say that Chandigarh University automobile engineering is best in our country, and we are competing and we are at par with the universities which are on the global rankings, right? So as I already said that we are in collaboration with all the industries. Hands-on practice is provided to the students, right? So the students when joins automobile engineering, he comes with the dream, he comes with the passion. So we ensure that we provide him all the platforms on which he can work on and become successful in his career.
Sir, students come to pursue engineering, but there is a problem with Indian engineering colleges, and it is a problem not only in Chandigarh University, it is a problem with whole country, even IITs come into it. The problem is that the syllabus which is taught to them is very irrelevant. They complain that. Right. Even IITs complain that the syllabus that is taught to them is very irrelevant, and the skills which are actually required for job, which actually companies seek into their workers, yes, they are missing in the curriculum. So what do you think about that, and how do you think we can work on it?
Yes, it's a very good question, and I'm very happy to answer this question. That yes, even in the IITs or the government colleges which are highly reputed, the syllabus they are not into revision of curriculum. I have spoken to one of the professors from IIT. I don't want to name it on the camera. From a very reputed IIT, they said, we don't revise the curriculum that often because there are the subjects which are being taught by the professors in the system. They are into it, but no such thing is here at automobile engineering in Chandigarh University. We are regularly updating our curriculum. We are having pre-board of studies. We are having board of studies every 6 months. Pre-board of studies and then BOS in 1 year, academic year. And the syllabus, the feedback is taken from the all the academic experts, all the researchers, and industry alumni are very vital stakeholders for us. Just as an example, I'll tell you that even in this semester, this year only, we sent our faculties to MG Motors Gujarat Halol plant, manufacturing plant, where they have spent 15 days FDP and they have done the training program, certified. Now they are certified MG trainers. And they are going to put that into our curriculum, and we are going to teach those same training to our students, and they will be MG certified students. So all the latest technology, hands-on practice is there with us at automobile engineering. There is not much just theoretical talks. It is actually hands-on practice. As I said, we already have 6 industry collaborated labs where student can go into it and with his own hands, he can perform and gain all the skills that are required to perform a job at national and international level.
Sir, my next question is that students in engineering, all fields of engineering, all the departments, automobile engineering, computer science, we see that most of the engineers in India, are either left unemployed. Most of the mass is either left unemployed or they are not paid that much. So what is the reason behind this?
Okay, well, another interesting question. I think you have done a lot of hard work. I have to appreciate that. The choice of questions are very good. Yes, this also need to be insight. This question I also face all the time, especially when the admission season is there. Parents ask, student asks. But again, I
Sorry to interrupt you because most of the students come to engineering and they think that they will get a high paying job, but majority of them end up getting low wages.
Yes. I would love to answer this question. As I said, whenever the admission query comes in or there's a season of admission, this is the pet question. Not only for automobile engineering student and CSE engineering and everything. The first question comes in, sir, what is going to be the package? What is the package I will have? What is the company kind of company that is going to have me? But I rather tell them that this is the wrong question to ask. Why don't you ask as a student, what is the skill that I am having? What kind of skill set I am having that even if one company comes in just to hire 5 students, I'll be amongst those 5 students. I'm sure about that. Are you that confident? So it is not that there is a problem with the companies or the packages or the placements. It is a problem with the students putting up efforts who are eager to learn and acquiring skills. So if they can acquire all these skills which are required, there are no such issues. Okay. So as I say always that a student should be first focused on his goal right from the day one. Say for example you are taking admission into engineering, you must be focused on this is my goal. Say for example after the end of the 4 years I'll be going to this Suzuki company into the design area, into the manufacturing area, or maybe into the sales area, or after service, anything, right? Or maybe I want to become an entrepreneur. Maybe I wish to have my own setup, or maybe I want to go abroad. So once your goal is clear that where you want to go, then you daily need to take few steps towards your goal. So if you are a skilled person, there is no way, even if you are in India, Canada, abroad, that you cannot get a job. I just give a simple example to everybody. Say for example, even if there is a tea maker or samosa maker who is very skilled, we travel 20 kilometers, 40 kilometers just to go and have a tea from him or samosa from him. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it is about the skills. So once you have the skills, there is no way that you cannot get placement. Success will touch your feet for sure. Right?
Since we know you are very, very busy, I would like to conclude with this question. So you talked about buzz of e-vehicles. There is another buzz about something called AI.
Yes.
From a guy called Elon Musk.
Yes.
It is a very common thing, AI. So what do you think? AI will kill jobs in future. What will be the future of automobile industry with the help of AI, or will it hinder the automobile industry?
Okay. Another very interesting question. And yes, absolutely, it is a buzzword. The use of artificial intelligence in automobiles, and the students also come in, sir, what is going to happen with our future? And as a laugh, I'll just answer them. If the computers or AI will take over, we'll be on holidays. Artificial intelligence is there to give a better system, a more efficient system, to help us, whatever the problems that we are facing today, that all those problems are covered by AI. But always remember, any technology that comes in is going to be for the betterment of the students. It is going to be the betterment for the society, country and the nation. There is no way that it is going to eat up your jobs. Yes, the role may change, the skills may change. At the end of the day, even the technology needs to be updated on a regular basis. Even if AI comes into picture, it does not mean that everybody will be shunted off and AI will getting involved in it itself. Not possible. It is a human automobile engineer who need to go and learn artificial intelligence and then to evolve and upgrade the technology on a regular basis. So AI is not a threat, it is rather an advantage for us. So we are going to have a better system, right, with more efficiency, and the world will be a better place for us.
Sir, it was great talking to you. Thank you for giving us your precious time. Thank you, sir.
Right, thank you, dear. I think you have done wonderful research for digging out these questions, and this interaction is actually needed for the awareness of our youngsters. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
Okay.
Thank you.